Welcome back, family. I sound really weird right now after such a long fall, but I got monetized and I never used it. Stay tuned. Listen, I know this is like way past MIA. I have not posted not one video in almost 3 years. 3 years? That is so bad. But when I first started my YouTube channel, I had a lot of passion. I had a lot of drive. I was very enthusiastic about starting a channel because when I watch other channels, I'm like, I can do a little bit of these or I can do a little bit of that. So I didn't start with the right mindset or with the right motive. And then I wasn't getting no views and I wasn't getting any subscribers or anything like that. And because of that, I had stopped. I was like, this is not going nowhere. Why? Because I wasn't patient enough to wait. No. I started to doubt myself. I didn't believe in myself anymore. I wasn't like waiting, like, you know what, let me wait and see. Now, let me tell you something. I came across this YouTuber. Her name is Lina Lore. Shout out to her. Lina Lore, she had this video where she was talking about if it's too late for them to start a channel. And she mentioned a lot of things about it's not competitive, how YouTube is not competitive, how it's gonna teach you a little bit of patience. You know, you need some patience, and how you just need to believe in yourself. And honestly, that's what really helped me, give me that push and that boost to say, you know what, she is right. But other than that, my niece and my son, they always be like, auntie or mommy, you need to go back on your channel. You need to start posting back videos and all of that. Now, every day they be like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel in the mirror. And that's exactly what I did in the bathroom when I'm taking a shower or in the mirror every day. And I'm like, you know what? It's really time for me to really get up and start posting back videos because I enjoy it, but I want to enjoy it in my mind, not sharing it with my fellow people. And you know what I learned also in life? When someone doubts you, it's easy to prove that person wrong. But when you doubt yourself, then it makes it worse. That's worse than when someone doubts you. When you doubt yourself, that's no good. So I didn't have enough drive and I didn't have enough boost or anything. And believe it or not, I have it right here as proof. Even when I received my email from Google. Hey, Plummy Cook with Love, it's finally time for you to monetize your channel. You hit that threshold and all of that. And not even that gave me the boost that I really needed. Like I said, until I got that push from family and friends. And I've come across a lot of people who will be like, hey, she's not cooking anymore again, or you need to go back to doing that or whatever. So yes, I did. And I also did, as you can see, I did receive the Google AdSense. And listen, I look at this every single day and I never, ever touched this. I never put it in. Look, I'm telling y'all, I never put it in. And it got expired. They said they have to send me a newer one or whatever. So this is my little story. Like I said, I was procrastinating. I started to procrastinate. I started to doubt myself. And I started not believing in myself. So to all new YouTubers, go ahead. You know, believe in yourself and just believe. Go ahead, believe in yourself. If this is what you love and this is what you like or you want to do it, then go ahead. It might take a slow pace. Some people grow fast. Some people grow slowly. Just take your time, and when you hit that threshold, then you can start. And you know, one of the funny thing is, when I put it in, I see all the money, the payments, everything, but I can't get it. I couldn't get it because I didn't put in this pin. I was supposed to verify this pin. Small or it's big, I couldn't get the money. Really, really sad. So, you know what I noticed also, my subscription dwindled. It was slowed, but people still subscribe. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not posting, but still people coming in, subscribing to my channel and all of that. But now, as you can see up, I created a new YouTube name. My name is now That Girl Plummy. The reason why I changed from Plummy Cook with Love, in the back of my mind, I feel like having that name, Plummy Cook with Love, I'm like, I should only be cooking. So I'm like, I can do a little bit of here, now and then. You know, a little bit of things now and then, here, there, and everywhere. In the healthcare field also. So I would love to talk about healthcare and all of that. And like I said, I'm really, really nervous still right now, trying to put this video together, trying to come back after such a long time, almost 3 years. That is way too bad. And I still have about 2,000 going up subscribers. Had I not stopped posting my channel, I feel like I would be a little bit more further than that. But I'm gonna try and do better, believe in myself more, stop doubting myself, but you know, started to grow from there. Try my best. Okay, so please, y'all, please have some faith in me. I know y'all do. Y'all been having faith in me more than I have faith in myself. And see you next time on my next channel, on my next video. On my next video, or in my next video, be posting like cooking, talk about health feel, some of the things that I do. Another thing why I stopped believing myself also, I used to have a terrible breakout in my face, and I hate putting my face in the video when it was so terrible, y'all, like literally terrible. And I said, you know what, I'm not gonna put myself in the video. I'm just gonna do it behind the scenes. But then I come across a lot of YouTubers, guys, who do makeup and they show their face before and after, and I'm like, oh my gosh, why they do that? But they believe in themselves, right? They believe in themselves, but I didn't. So stay tuned for my next video. There are a lot more videos gonna come, you know, some of the things that I do at home and stuff like that. So please help out a girl. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome again. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And all my subscribers, please stay tuned. Love ya. Bye.